Does it ever happen that when the hive is not doing well, say you're away for a couple of weeks and it starts to go downward and they build the queen cells, will the bees ever kill off the queen and allow the new one through a natural process for the queen to step in, or do we always, as beekeepers, have to step in?
Okay, so your question is will the bees take care of their queen, or do we have to step
Or
in?
the queen cell that they have started to build, will they allow one of those to develop and replace that queen?
Yes. The worker bees, if they produce a new queen, there's a reason for that, either swarming or the queen is failing. And you just have to look at what the brood pattern is to know if the queen is failing.